Okay, can I see? That's from Aunt Marty and Aunt Amy. Yeah, that's. Oh, cute.
You gotta save this one too.
Oh, okay. こうなって、こういうふうに。You know?
それ日本から買ったの？
これエアポートで買ったの。
Oh, that's from when they went to Japan. Bacha just found it.
Yeah, これエアポートで買ったの。前買ったの覚えてた私。でもこれあげたと思ったの。
You're a mess, Mama. Okay. Yeah, she knows. Ooh, what's that? Oh, cool. Your own little laptop. Cool.
Yeah, show them Mom. Hi, here.
Awesome. Is there batteries in it, Mama?
Yeah. Oh, that's because it's off.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a chubby butt baby in front of me.
Let's learn about animals.
Okay, that's okay. Let him play with it while you open up the next present. It's okay, Sylvia. Sylvia, it's okay. Sylvia, let your brother play with it while you open up the next present. Sylvia.
What you doing?
I didn't do it. I didn't. Oh, it's this. This. The bottom of that was wet. What are you doing? He's gonna fall. Mama, get him off. He's gonna fall, Mama. You crazy baby, get down. You crazy baby.
Okay, next up.
Sylvia, next present.
You like it?
Okay, hand it over here. Oh, just give it to the crazy baby.
Next present.
That's from Button too.
Grab it anyway. I told her to give it to him. That's what you get. You should just gave it to him like I said. All right, next present. It's a clue. Oh, cool. That is so cute.
A green puppy.
Wow. Oh, it says Minnesota on the shirt. That's where Bacha went to visit Aunt Marty and Aunt Amy. Cool. Awesome. Of course. All right, one more present, Sylvia. Oh, another card. What is up with this lighting? It's killing me. See, now it brightens up. So weird.
This is for you.
Whoa! それ誰かな? Oh, another card from Bachang. Oh. Why does it keep getting dark like? Did something come out of that, Sylvia? Did something come out of the card? What? There's something fell out of the card, Sylvia. Oh, why does this keep getting dark? It's killing me. It's killing me. Cool. Awesome. Happy birthday! Yay! All right, Sylvia.
Right here.
I know. Look at that.
That's how the lights.
This is killing me. How it keeps getting dark. It's just killing me. Whoa! Whoa! All right, Sylvia. Next one. You get one more present. Oh. あんたの買ったノート。
Okay, now.
Oh, cool! Awesome! Yay! So, you got it right? Come on.